What are the best online courses for mastering personal finance in 2024? If you're looking to boost your financial literacy and take control of your money, you're in the right place. Online courses can offer the flexibility and practical knowledge you need to make informed financial decisions, from budgeting and saving to investing and retirement planning. In this video, we'll highlight 5 top-notch courses that can help you gain the skills and confidence to manage your finances effectively. Whether you're a beginner or looking to enhance your financial knowledge, these courses offer valuable insights and practical advice. Now let's explore the best online courses for learning about personal finance and how they can transform your financial future. Finance for Everyone. Smart Tools for Decision Making. Offered on edx.org, This course was developed by the University of Michigan and is a must for anyone eager to understand finance fundamentals. It provides strategies for making sound financial decisions, covering everything from budgeting to investing. Whether you're just starting out or looking to boost your financial knowledge, this course offers valuable insights that can help you manage your money more effectively. It's designed to be accessible to beginners while still offering depth for those wanting to enhance their skills. Imagine gaining the tools to confidently navigate your financial future, make informed decisions, and achieve your financial goals. With its practical approach and expert guidance, Finance for Everyone stands out as a top choice for those serious about improving their financial literacy and decision-making abilities. The course is structured to give you a solid foundation, ensuring you can apply what you learn to real-life situations. This engaging and informative course will leave you better equipped to handle your finances smartly and efficiently. If you're looking to make a positive change in how you manage your money, this is the perfect place to start. The comprehensive curriculum covers key topics such as personal budgeting, understanding interest rates, and making savvy investment choices, all presented in an easy-to-follow format. With interactive content and real-world examples, the course helps demystify complex financial concepts, making them approachable and understandable. By the end of the course, you'll have a clear action plan for managing your finances, tailored to your personal goals and circumstances. The skills and knowledge gained here are not just theoretical, but immediately applicable, empowering you to take control of your financial destiny with confidence and clarity. Finance for Everyone truly provides the smart tools you need for making informed and effective financial decisions, setting you on the path to financial stability and success. McGill Personal Finance. Essentials. This course zeroes in on the essential topics of personal finance, making it an excellent starting point for anyone wanting to grasp the basics of budgeting, saving, and investing. Offered by McGill University, it provides a comprehensive overview of the key concepts you need to manage your finances effectively. You'll gain practical skills that you can immediately apply to your daily life, helping you make better financial decisions. Imagine understanding how to create a budget that works, finding ways to save more effectively, and learning the fundamentals of investing to grow your wealth. The course is designed to be straightforward and accessible, perfect for beginners who want to build a strong financial foundation. McGill's approach ensures that the information is easy to understand and relevant to real-life situations, making it highly practical. Whether you're looking to get your finances in order or want to enhance your existing knowledge, McGill Personal Finance Essentials offers valuable insights that can help you achieve financial stability and growth. This engaging course is a great way to start your journey towards better financial health and independence. The lessons cover a broad spectrum of topics, including debt management, retirement planning, and understanding credit scores. By the end of the course, you'll be equipped with the knowledge to make informed decisions that can positively impact your financial future. The course structure includes interactive elements and real-world scenarios that illustrate how to apply financial principles in everyday life. This hands-on approach helps reinforce learning and ensures that the skills you acquire are immediately useful. Whether you're planning to buy a home, save for your children's education, or simply want to get out of debt, this course provides the tools and strategies you need. McGill University, known for its academic excellence, brings a level of credibility and depth to the course, making it a trustworthy resource for anyone serious about improving their financial literacy. Imagine the confidence you'll gain as you master personal finance topics and start making smarter financial choices. McGill. Personal Finance Essentials not only educates but also empowers you to take control of your financial destiny, paving the way for a more secure and prosperous future. Brigham Young University's Personal Finance Courses. Brigham Young University, BYU, offers a range of personal finance courses that cover essential topics such as budgeting, debt management, and retirement planning. These courses are designed to provide a solid foundation for financial literacy, equipping you with the knowledge and skills needed to manage your finances effectively. Whether you're trying to get a handle on your monthly budget, looking for strategies to pay down debt, or planning for a secure retirement, BYU's courses have you covered. Imagine having a clear understanding of how to allocate your income, minimize your debts, and plan for the future, all through well-structured and easy-to-follow lessons. The courses are tailored to be practical and relevant, making it easier for you to apply what you learn to your personal financial situation. BYU's focus on real-life applications ensures that you gain not just theoretical knowledge, but also actionable insights that can lead to better financial decisions. These courses are perfect for anyone looking to improve their financial health and build a more secure future. With BYU's personal finance courses, you'll be well equipped to navigate the complexities of managing your money and achieving your financial goals. The curriculum covers a broad spectrum of topics, including creating a budget that aligns with your financial goals, understanding how to manage and reduce debt effectively, and developing a robust retirement plan that ensures long-term financial security. The interactive and engaging course materials are designed to make learning enjoyable and impactful, providing you with the confidence to make informed financial choices. By integrating practical exercises and real-world examples, the courses ensure that you can immediately apply what you've learned to your everyday life. Whether you're planning for short-term financial milestones or long-term goals, BYU's personal finance courses offer the guidance and tools you need to succeed. Imagine the peace of mind that comes with being financially literate and capable of making smart money decisions. BYU's commitment to quality education and practical learning makes these courses an invaluable resource for anyone serious about taking control of their financial future. With these courses, you're not just learning about personal finance, you're empowering yourself to build a stable and prosperous financial life. Udemy.com's Personal Finance. 101. Udemy's Personal Finance. 101 is a comprehensive course that covers the essentials of budgeting, investing, and managing debt. It's perfect for beginners and anyone seeking practical advice on handling their finances. The self-paced format allows you to learn at your own speed, making it a convenient option for busy individuals. Imagine gaining a clear understanding of how to create a budget that suits your lifestyle, making informed investment decisions, and developing effective strategies to reduce and manage debt. The course is designed to provide actionable insights that you can immediately apply to your financial life. With easy-to-follow lessons and practical examples, you'll be able to grasp complex financial concepts without feeling overwhelmed. Udemy's Personal Finance. 101 empowers you to take control of your financial future with confidence. Whether you're just starting your financial journey or looking to refine your money management skills, this course offers valuable knowledge and tools to help you succeed. It's an excellent resource for anyone aiming to build a solid financial foundation and achieve their financial goals. Get ready to enhance your financial literacy with this engaging and informative course on Udemy. The course covers a broad range of topics, including how to effectively manage your income and expenses, strategies for saving money, and tips for making smart investment choices. The practical approach ensures that you can apply what you learn to real-life financial situations, helping you make better decisions that positively impact your financial health. Udemy's Personal Finance 101 also includes interactive elements and quizzes that reinforce your learning and help you retain the information better. By the end of the course, you'll have a well-rounded understanding of personal finance, enabling you to plan for the future with confidence. This course is ideal for anyone who wants to take control of their finances, reduce debt, and build wealth over time. The easy-to-navigate platform and user-friendly interface make learning enjoyable and accessible, no matter your level of financial knowledge. With Udemy's commitment to providing high-quality education at an affordable price, Personal Finance 101 is a valuable investment in your financial future. This course not only equips you with the knowledge you need, but also inspires you to take proactive steps toward achieving financial security and independence. Purdue University's Planning for a Secure Retirement course delves into the critical aspects of retirement planning, offering strategies to build a secure financial future. This course covers essential topics such as retirement accounts, various investment options, and ways to maximize Social Security benefits. Imagine gaining a comprehensive understanding of how to prepare financially for retirement, ensuring that you can enjoy your golden years without financial stress. The course is designed to provide practical advice and clear explanations, making complex retirement planning concepts easy to understand and implement. Whether you're just starting to think about retirement or looking to refine your existing plans, Purdue's course offers valuable insights that can help you make informed decisions. The focus on real-life applications means you'll learn how to apply these strategies to your unique financial situation. This course is perfect for anyone who wants to take control of their retirement planning and ensure a comfortable and secure future. With Purdue University's expertise, you'll be well equipped to navigate the complexities of retirement planning and achieve your long-term financial goals. Get ready to secure your future with confidence and clarity through this engaging and informative course. The curriculum covers a wide range of critical topics, including understanding different types of retirement accounts, like 401, Keshes and IRAs, exploring diverse investment options to grow your retirement funds, and learning how to make the most of Social Security benefits. The course's practical approach ensures that you can directly apply the knowledge you gain to your personal retirement planning, making it easier to develop a strategy that fits your financial goals and lifestyle. Interactive elements and real-life case studies help illustrate key points, making the learning experience both engaging and relevant. By the end of the course, you'll have a solid plan in place to ensure a secure and enjoyable retirement. Whether you aim to retire early, travel the world, or simply maintain a comfortable lifestyle, Purdue's Planning for a Secure Retirement provides the tools and insights you need to achieve your dreams. With the guidance of Purdue's experienced instructors, you'll gain the confidence to make informed decisions about your retirement, knowing that you are well prepared for the future. This course is an invaluable resource for anyone looking to build a robust retirement plan and enjoy peace of mind in their later years. And there you have it, the 5 best online courses to elevate your personal finance skills in 2024. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to FinanceFix Millennials for more tips on mastering your finances. Share your favorite course in the comments below and let us know which one you're excited to start. Stay tuned for more content that will help you take control of your financial future. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.